How's it going, everybody? Welcome. If you're on this call, it's because you're looking to set up your AI variable trading robot, right? This is a variable setup call. You've already set up your access pass. You already understand what an access pass even is. Now you're ready to get started setting up your robot. Welcome to the team in advance. Let's jump right into this, all right? So this is your dashboard as soon as you sign up. This is what it will look like, all right? If you didn't have me, you could easily go through this. It says getting started, AP Academy, AP Social. You literally can click each of these and it will walk you through the steps on setting up the robot, right? Right now, the step we're going through is AP Academy. You would click this and then click Variable, and this is exactly what he would teach you to do, right? So first up, AP Marketplace, switch tools, right? So as you can see, I have a silver pass, so that means I can choose two robots, right? Um, so for example, Variable, I'm going to show you what it looked like if I want to switch. So yeah, so you would click choose my tool. And then if you're in America, you choose variable MAV. If you're not in America, variable, all right? It won't even give you this option if you're not in America. All right. In America, you will only see variable MAV. This is the one you will be clicking. Okay. And then you will click choose my product, and then it will say launch. It will look just like this. Once you choose variable, launch my VPS. All right. It will bring you to this page. If you're just starting off, it will ask you for your broker. Put in your broker link. For us, we use IMGFX. If you don't have a broker, we will have one in the description below. So yeah, let's jump into this. Boom. You're going to click right here. Once you've created your VPS, connect to my VPS. Like I said, if your screen does not look like this, it's because it's asking you to put in your broker. Just type in your broker name and then literally click create my VPS. Once you do that, it will bring you to this screen. You'll have to click this, click your access pass, and click connect to your VPS. Um, if you just created your account, sometimes it could take 5 minutes to be created. Sometimes it could take an hour, just depending on the time you started, how many people are coming in. But what a VPS is a virtual private server. This is your computer in the sky, right? So just think about your computer that you're on right now, but now you have a second one that you're controlling, right? So this is what your screen will look like. You will click send alt control delete right here at the top. You can see it's asking for a password. Where is my password, you ask? Boom. It's right here. We exited out of it. It's okay. It's still here. Make sure you copy it. Don't put any spaces. Copy. Go back to the VPS. And we're going to click here. And we're going to put it in this box right here. This is where we're going to paste it. Boom. Send text. Awesome. Welcome to your VPS. All right. Now, sometimes when you do your VPS, your um robot won't be there. That's okay. Give them a chance to load your software in. If you ever have any technical difficulties, like this is not the robot you chose, or maybe it's not there and you're like it's been a long time, you will go to my accounts, all right, and you will submit a ticket. You go to support, submit a ticket, and then you will literally submit this ticket and tell them what's wrong, all right? Just go through this, fill it out, tell them, hey, my robot is not, this isn't the robot I chose, or my robot's not on my VPS, whatever the case is, this is where you'll do it, and they will fix it automatically for you, right? So, anyways, back to the VPS. Once you log in, once you click connect to my VPS, this is what you will see after you put in the password. Looks just like this. You're going to type in your broker name, IMGFX, enter, see the scanning, boom. All right, so now you need to log into your account, which I'm going to do right now. Give me 1 second. For the sake of this video, I'm going to log into my account. One second. So yeah, make sure you have your login to your broker. If not, use a demo account. You can see it says new demo account right here. We have an account already, so we are just going to log in here. All right. Let's see if that works. If it works right here, you can see it says it's connected. You can see I'm in a couple trades. This is just a little small account for this, so y'all can see. Okay. Market's just opened. Oh, okay. Let's do this. So yeah, so now we're setting up Veribull. Tools, options. Boom. So yeah, you're gonna, as soon as you choose options, you're gonna go to expert advisors, click allow automated trading. One second. This is bothering me. Tools, options, expert advisors, make sure everything says allow. Uncheck anything that says disable. Notifications. If you're in America, you will go to notifications, uncheck notify, and your MetaQuotes ID will be on your MT4 app, on your MetaTrader 4 app. This is where you'll find your MetaQuotes ID. You will go to MetaTrader 4, you'll click settings. If you're on iPhone, you'll click settings, chat and messages, then your MetaQuotes ID will be at the bottom of the screen, right? You can copy it, paste it, whatever you want, type it in, BOCBD7 E7. So yeah, boom, got a notification to my phone. I tested it, it's working. All right, click OK. I'm done with that. Now, seeing it's my first time using this robot, as you can see, I am going to have to drag Veribull here, click common, allow, and we'll just click OK. And as you can see, I need to verify my robot. 1 second. Boom. This is the first time I'm signing up, so we need to go to this website right here, which I've already done. Type it in. You can see HTTPS, 8443 device. Type it in right there. So let's look at the code. ZGKG. All right, dash ZGKG Submit. Cool. And then, yeah, we'll go back. As you can see, it's up here now. Awesome. So what I would do is I would just click pause and unpause it. Yep. And then let the robot start working. For example, if you're wondering, how do I know what pairs to choose? You will use the variable back test, where it shows you all the pairs, their monthly average profit. If you're not sure what these things mean, what stagnation, for example, is the number of days where equity remained flat or decreased. Sorry. In theory, a lower number significant is basically significant to the amount of time of drawdown that you're in or potentially losing. Right. So, for example, if you're an absolute drawdown of $124, the longest that you would probably be in that trade is 12 days with AUDJPY. Sorry. You know, we're compared to GBP USD, where you could end up in trades as long as 167 days. So that's how you would use this. You use this, you know, basically. So if I wanted to do USD CAD, I can see absolute drawdown is $119. Average profit's about $40, you know, and I can base it off of this. And then I would go here, I'll go back to my VPS, and I would say USD CAD, all right? And I'll drag Veribull to it. And if I'm just using default settings, because what is this? This is all default settings that he's back tested. So, you know, if we wanted to do other strategies, we could go to strategy 2, which is trending. These are the pairs and the things for that, the drawdown for it. If you were stopping Thursday and set your settings to trending, the advanced isn't available yet. But for this video, this is for people that are brand new. They have honestly no idea what they're doing. It's their first time trading. This is what you would use. You use strategy 1, and you would literally come to your VPS and just click OK. Right? Now, if you are in America, one thing that you will have to do in your settings, you will need to go down to the bottom here where it says send notifications and turn this to enabled. So that way it will send a notification to your phone and you can click approve. Right? That's how easy it is to set up Veribull. Literally. You just choose your pairs, unpause them, and let them run. Let them do their thing. And yeah, so that's literally all it is. As you can see, I'll show you a trade right here. You unpause it, and then boom, Veribull would place a trade for me right here. I believe I'm in deep in trades in this little account. Uh, but yeah, for the sake of the video, this is all you do to set up Veribull. That easy. Again, tools, options, expert advisors. Make sure this says allow. All these are checked off. Allow, just like my screen. Click OK. Right. Choose your pair depending off of this list. All right. Choose your pair. Drag it. Drag Veribull to it. If you want, you can click common. Allow. If you're in America, you're going to put this to enabled. Send notifications. Click OK. You're done. Veribull will be running. All right. Now, if you're in America, it did send a notification to your phone. You will have to click approve. But other than that, this is literally all you do. If you need to know where to click approve, go to your account. You will go to software notifications, trade notifications, and it will pop up right here. You can do this on your phone. You can do this on your laptop. Even this setup process that we all just did, you can do this all on your phone, your laptop, anywhere in the world, right? Besides 12 countries. So that's it. That's how you set a Veribull. And one other thing you can do is do your Windows updates. As you can see, I have 3 Windows updates because this is a new account. The first thing we're going to do, so y'all can see, I'm going to click this one optional update is available, and I'm going to check it off. All right. As you can see, the important ones are already checked off. The optionals checked off, and we're going to install. Once you get to this point and it's done installing, it will look like this, and you will click restart now. All right. So yeah, let me pause this Veribull. As you can see, I was already running Veribull on this account. I just wanted to show y'all the complete setup process. So this is exactly how you set up your robot, and then boom, you're done. If you needed to get back to it, again, you go to Avoria Prime Connect, select your Avoria Prime Connect, select your VPS right here. Access is running, right? Make sure you get in the Telegram chats. As you can see, we have Veribull Telegram chat where Dasan answers questions for you. He is the owner. I'm sorry, the creator, the developer of this software. This is where you can go in and ask any questions. As you can see, it's already on here. He also has the link to the Veribull backtest. And also, if you are not in the Veribull group chat, make sure you get in that also. All right? Awesome. And as you can see right here, there's a way to, we have how you can run crypto 24/7 using Veribull. So yeah, just tap in with us. If you need any of these links, make sure that you hit up the person that invited you to this video. If you have any more questions, again, if you wanted to learn this on your own, you would go to AP Academy right here. And as you can see, I've already done my first steps. You would click AP Academy again to watch the Veribull overview, the setup video, everything else into more detail. Other than this, this is where you would go AP Academy. You see it's still loading. This is the last thing I'm going to show y'all before I end this. All right, so you can see there's other videos. I recommend going through all of them, but Access Setup course, and literally they walk through everything for you: the overview, strategy, setup, and access your VPS. I did that in a quick little video for y'all, but definitely. And if you ever go on there and you see a video's not there, just either click move on to the next video. Why? Because sometimes instead of having an overview, they'll have the overview and strategy combined into one. All right. So I hope that helped y'all out. To get back to your back office, you just go here. And I hope that y'all have a great day. Welcome to the team. Veribull literally takes 5 to 15 minutes to set up. Depending on your risk tolerance, it's 0.01 per $1,000, so 1 pair per 1,000, right? And then it's 650 for every pair after. You can be more aggressive, as you can see with the Veribull backtest. These numbers wouldn't equal 1,000, but you definitely want to give room for your robot to play. All right. So I hope y'all have a great day. Stay blessed, and yes, let's continue eating and making money in these markets. Market spies. We're like ninjas.